born in the holy Kaaba, brought to this world for our sake. Who would have thought that you would go through such pain and heartbreak? Your family would endure injustice like none other. Tears still flow from your sons as per hadith from their mother. Mawla, 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 Mawla. When orphaned Fatima stood so helpless at her front door, she asked the man to leave, but her request was just ignored. That door was broken through and your life was shattered in two. You lost your unborn son and you lost your precious wife too. Mawla, 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 Mawla. Riding the shoulders of the holy Prophet of Allah, clearing the idols from the sacred pure house of Allah. A fearsome warrior you were in plaudits showered, so Ibn-Muljim struck you in sajdah, such a coward. Mawla, 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 Mawla. After the Prophet's passing, you were bound like a prisoner, dragged through the streets or passing. People thought you're a sinner. Your daughter had the same fate. She too was made to suffer, dragged through the streets with such hate. Did they not recognize her? Mawla, 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 Mawla. Then there was that son of yours you saw from such a brave tribe. Karbala would soon come when Hussein needs him at his side. How you wish you could help them on the plains of Karbala. Instead you had to witness and wait for them in Jannah. Mawla, 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 Mawla.